Welcome to SWK's video series on Sage 100. This video will demonstrate a feature in Custom Office, new to version 2020, to mask data when creating a user-defined field that will be displayed on a data entry panel. The data is not encrypted, so it will appear on reports and in the lookup lists, but while you're on the panel, the data is masked. Let me show you how it works. Starting out in Custom Office, we're going to create a new user-defined field for the customer maintenance file. I'm just going to simply add it as I normally would. I'm just going to call it Hidden Data. It's going to be a manual entry, but it could be something else too. It could be a business object that you're bringing over and it would still be masked. You would make all of the same choices that you would when you are adding your user-defined field, with one exception. We're going to click on Mask Display. Let's save this. This will take a few moments. Now that that's done, we're going to go to Customizer so that we can add it to the panel. I'm going to add this in the normal manner. There's nothing special here. The only thing that was special is when I had checked the box marking it to mask it. Here's our data. Let's exit out of here, save the customization. Let's close this and let's go to Customer Maintenance to take a peek. You can see I now have some data here, and let's just put in some numbers here, and basically I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the 0, and let's click on Accept. And now let's come in here, and you could see up at the top here, here is the data that I had just entered. Let's pick this customer, and I'll do something similar. Again, you could see that you are not able to see the data as I type it in, but when I come to my list, the data is not encrypted. Another thing to think about is any of this data that is on this panel can also be hidden. Let's say we don't want users to be able to see a salesperson. What I've done here is gone to the panel, and I'll show you where that is, and then I had said to mask that data. Let's take a quick little peek. We'll go to Panel Settings, to Customizer, and let's look at this particular field. When I come here to Options, you'll see that I have a mask display. Because this was a list and then I'm seeing the value for the list here, I had to do the same for the salesperson's name. But as you can see, existing data can be masked on your panel as well as user-defined fields. At SWK, we are committed to helping our customers get the most out of their software investment. Please contact us at info@swktech.com to start a conversation on your solution. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.